What's up guys, today I'm going to be turning these old rims into clean black ones, only using spray paint. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so these are the rims we're working with. Right now I'm going to grab my toolkit and pop these wheels off, and then we'll get to cleaning them. The first thing I need to do is take off these two screws, and the same thing for this side, to take these fork guards off. Now I'm going to take this 15mm, put it right here, and then take the whole wheel off. I was having trouble on the other side, so I grabbed the hammer. Just like that, we have the wheel off, and now we're gonna clean these rims. Let's get to it. I cleaned the rims as best as I could so the black spray paint would actually stick. Okay, so I have this tape, and I'm just gonna tape, the tire, and then just leave the rim. Okay, I've completely wrapped this side up with tape, and now I just need to do this side. Alright, I finished both sides, and now we're gonna spray paint it with this textured finish. It's black and it'll look pretty good. Okay guys, I have finished the spray paint job. Now all we need to do is peel off this tape, and it should look pretty good. Okay guys, I screwed everything in, and I think it looks pretty good. I'm actually pretty tired right now, so I'm gonna save the back tire for tomorrow. Alright guys, it is the next day. I'm not gonna make you guys wait. I'm gonna do the back wheel on my own, so let me just skip. I finished both rims, and they actually look fire. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you're new here, like and subscribe. We're trying to build the cleanest MX350 on YouTube. I just pull up to the